If you're having issues with the light, the first thing you would do is take it apart and get it to where you get to the light board, the 3 batteries, and the battery holder. This is where you begin the troubleshooting. So first, since you have everything apart, this is your light board. Make sure the clicker is working. And also, let's start assembling. Here's your AG10 battery. First, you grab the light board, put the battery holder between the 2 pins, and insert it like that. You'll grab the AG10 batteries and start inserting them into the battery holder. Make sure the pins are side to side when you put them in. We'll do a first quick test to make sure this is the correct position. As you can see, it was not, and the lights didn't light up. So we'll switch the battery holder to a different position. We're going to do another test, and the lights seem to be working. So, since the lights are already lighting up, we'll put the last battery directly in the middle by shoving it in. Once it's in, we'll double check it, and all 3 lights are working. Check all the sequences and make sure they're working. And the batteries are all in place. First, you will grab the light holder and the light blocker and put that in to the light holder. Make sure everything is evenly tucked in. Then you will grab the button and insert it into the light holder. Make sure it's tucked in to the hole. Just like that. You will then make sure the light is working, and then from there you will insert it into the light holder. Make sure it's evenly there, and then the button is working correctly to push the light. Next is grab the stopper. From there, test it out one more time that the light is working correctly. Last but not least, we will tighten up and from there we'll double check it one more time.